Hey, my YouTubers. Well, I'm new to YouTube. Well, I've been had a channel for a while, but I'm just now starting to make my own videos. Um, Hi, my name is Tracklist4, and um, I'll probably just be making some random videos without anything. I'm a natural, of course, so I'll probably make some natural video hairstyles and tips and stuff for y'all. Well, today I just wanted to talk about how this new hurricane thing that's going on, Hurricane Ozzy. Well, I'm hearing all this stuff, I'm just sitting here chilling, watching the news, talking about, hurricane coming, and it's coming the same direction that Katrina came, and, I'm over here on Twitter, on Facebook, all these people are crazy, dude, like, crazy. Like, going to Walmart, I mean, super packed, trying to get food, stacking on food, go to the gas station, stacking on gas. I mean, like, it's just crazy. And I'm like, I wasn't here. I wasn't down south when Katrina was going on. So I, really don't know how to handle the situation. But, it's just like, everybody's just like, run, boy, run. Or how do I fight the kids kind of stuff. I mean, they really trying to be ducked off when this hurricane come, and it's supposed to come like 2 or 3 days from now, or whatever. But let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Y'all just don't know. I serve a great God. You hear me? I serve an awesome God. So I ain't got nothing to worry about. I don't pray. I'm protected. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just straight chilling, dude. I'm chilling right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody going crazy. I'm just like, you know what? I done prayed. I'm good. You know what I'm saying? My God is greater. He's greater than anything, and he can stop the storm. You know what I'm saying? He can see all of that. It's like this. Greater sign. I don't remember greater sign. God greater than Hurricane Isaac. You feel me? Do you feel me though? So yeah, just I just wanted to make a video about that because it's just crazy how everything's going. How everybody's just going like psycho this hurricane. I mean, I know it's a storm. It's a really big storm and whatnot, but like really, do you not know who my God is? You know what I'm saying? Do you not know who I serve? I serve an awesome God. You feel me? So I'm not really worried about it. I'm just chilling. Um, well, how are y'all doing out there? I hope somebody's watching this video. I'm sure, once I get some videos started, I'll probably get some more subscribers and people watch my videos. I'm really interesting. I'm very entertaining. So y'all should subscribe to me. Y'all really should. Um, y'all see my nails. This is a new color that I tried. Like, I don't know if you could tell, but it's a teal color. And like this, I did the design. I still call myself trying to do some kind of cheetah print. So, I thought it was cute or whatnot. I tried. um, but yeah, this hairstyle, if anybody's wondering, I did a braid out last night. I braided my hair while I washed it, conditioned, so it's not, braided up, and I just took it down. I thought it turned out really cute. So, it is what it is. I like it. Well, y'all see my shirt? Actually, my shirt. I like the shirt. This, I like wearing Jesus shirt. Oh, death, where is my victory? Where is thy victory? Excuse me. Oh, grave, where is thy sting? Then on the back, graphics to the back, of course. He's alive. Y'all should know that. My God is definitely alive. He is not dead, but he has risen. He's alive. And I am a Jesus freak. I love to talk about God and everything. So That's just what I do. I love talking about Jesus. So you not got it. Might not want to watch my videos, but but I love it. So, well, I don't want to waste too much more time just jibber jabbing. So, I guess I'll just see you on my next video. Bye.